A lot of niggas ain't gonna like this. They wanna hear it. Fuck balls, let me just talk to you. You talk to him. Yeah.
No face, no case, that's how they taught us. At the table, certain shit just can't be brought up. Get low until I get my shit in order. Every day I'm placing orders by the border. Poppy told me, do you need a half of water? I can't.
Hey guys, this is your girl, Part of My Beauty TV, and I'm back with another video. So basically, this is my website, and I just want to give you guys a little update on what's been going on. So basically, you just go to thebarluxe.com, and then when you come on the screen, it'll show you, and it'll say reveal your natural beauty. You can add to the cart, log in. Make sure you guys go and sign up, and you can create an account, blah blah blah. You go home. Basically, this is the home page, and I think I love my little website. I don't know about y'all. So yeah, give you a little info why BAR LUXE, because we take your skin types very serious, and that's why we are as natural gets. Products are handcrafted right here in the USA. And then I have a little quote, a little something. You know, I craft so hard I sweat glitter. She's an old soul. Okay, all right, you know what, anyway, I craft so hard I sweat glitter. She's an old soul with young eyes and vintage heart and a beautiful mind. And then you see a little melanin queen in the corner, and then different links down here. There's a lot of updating I need to do, but so far this is what I have. And then you can go to shop. Okay, shop. And then my products. So basically I have body scrub. I'm thinking of discontinuing this body scrub because I have a new product I want to bring out. And yeah, so that's that. So I have body scrub so far. I have headbands. I have body butter. I have this. The exfoliating mesh soap pouch is a new product, and it works so good. And I'll put in a video for you guys so you can see. Glow Bar, Lavender Bliss, Oatmeal Soap, Rose Hydrating Mist, Simplicity Bar. Now, I have new products to show you guys. I'm gonna add them to my website, and then I'll do like an updated website video for you guys. So yeah, I have chapstick coming, and I have a skincare line coming out, and I just got my samples. And when I tell you that I am so excited about the way the packaging looks, the wording, letters, everything is just like, I'm really excited. Like, I almost cried the other day. Like, I was opening it up with me, my boyfriend, and my daughter, and we all, even my daughter was like, wow, mommy, that looks good. Like, when I tell you, so yeah, right now oatmeal soap is sold out, but I can also make more oatmeal soap. So as soon as I make some more, I will update that, because my oatmeal soap, as you can see, sold out. Everyone has bought them. Something else was sold out. I think either it was the lavender soap, but I just made more lavender soap. So you guys go ahead, go in and order your soap. They're very moisturizing. They're very good, clean. I get good reviews. I am thankful for everybody that has tried my products. Okay, like, I am super thankful for that, because honestly, we're in a quarantine time, we're in a pandemic, you know, coronavirus. People have bought headbands from me. I did not think these headbands were going to sell, but they have been, and then that's the great part. Also, I know I went off topic about my new product, but that's another video, so it'll be okay. Anywho, we're in a pandemic time, and honestly, I'm just so excited that, let me just close that out because that's getting on my nerves. I'm so excited that people are actually buying my stuff. Like, I'm legit getting orders. Now I can't wait till a girl, your girl, start hitting them M's. You feel me? But slowly, I don't want to rush things. I want to get my product off, and I want to do things smart. Um, yeah. So basically, this is my website. I think it's really cute. Make sure you email me if you have any questions or concerns. Thebarluxe@gmail.com. I know I have all these payment methods over here, but also if you want to do pickups, if you're local in Long Island, you can, and I will give you my cash app. But just email me, or you can go to my Instagram, which is bar.luxe. So yeah, I'm so excited. Like, honestly, I'm really excited. I have a lot of editing to do. I really do have a lot of editing to do. Like this, the foliant mesh, the background picture. Yeah, I'm not happy about that, but I think it's good so far. Like, I have no complaints. I have had compliments. I've had people ask me like, "Hey, how did you do that? Can you show me?" And honestly, I do not mind. Like, sharing is caring, and each one teach one. You get more when you bless others, and you never know. And I don't care if I help somebody with their website and then theirs take off tremendously more than mine is right now. Like, that isn't like one person win, we all win at this point. Even if they don't even shout me out, I just think that that's like, I don't know, that's just how I am as a person. Like, I'm genuinely happy for people when I see things like coming into what is it called, manifesting for them, like things are happening, and stuff, things like that. So yeah, this is my website. I'm really excited. I am actually one of those people, like, I'm not just like, oh, it's quarantine time, let me just make some stuff and then give it to people so I can make money. Yeah, everybody wants to make money. Yeah, everybody, whatever. I have a daughter to take care of. I have things I need to do. So basically, this is just like really, really, really something I've been wanting to do years ago. But I just never had that, like, And then I see a lot of times I follow like different women's groups and stuff and business groups, and they're like, oh, how did you just start your business? Like, what can you say to someone that wants to start a business? And the best advice that I've seen, the best advice that I can give to you guys is just start it. You want to sell socks? Sell socks at this point. Like, you want to go to a variety store, something that sells them in bulk. And if you got to sit down, have help your grandma or whoever, your kids, your uncle, your husband, whoever, help you stitch your logo, your name on it or whatever, you go to Michael's and Walmart and get you some iron-on products and glitter and glue, whatever, and it come out the way you like it. You sell your socks, okay? Yeah, like, just start somewhere, even if you don't have no product for people yet. Make a YouTube and do an introduction. Tell them, manifest it. Tell people to follow you. Make a Instagram. Tell people to follow you. Go to Pinterest. Get some quotes about whatever product you're trying to do, or business, or coming soon post, or motivational quotes about businesses and starting up small and building an empire and stuff like that. Like, just get your name out there. Like, even if you want to just give out business cards or go word of mouth, so say, hey, you're at an event, like, hey, I'm starting a business, I don't really have a lot of product right now, but if you could take my Instagram down, I would appreciate it. And give me your email, we can email each other, or whatever. Just start a business email. If anything, if you don't make a page, just start a business email. Start taking people emails. That's professional. Everything. A lot of people ask me how I made this little logo that says Bar Luxe with the triangle and stuff. Yeah, I did that on one of these apps and I totally forgot how to do it. So I've been saving this photo everywhere, so I can't lose this photo, because if I need it on something, I wouldn't even know how to remake the shit again. Like, honestly, excuse my language, but yeah, I'm so excited. Like, yeah. And basically, I had made this website with GoDaddy and Shopify. I will take you guys to my Shopify, but that's something for a later day. Yeah. So basically, that's gonna conclude my video. Like, yeah, I'm just so excited. Like, I'm really, really thankful for everybody that has ordered from me so far. Like I said, I have more products. I have chapstick that I have to get out and make. I have I'm starting a beauty line. I have more and more ideas for you guys. When I tell you, you guys are going to be so excited. Like, I just really, really, really trying to give you things as natural as possible. Like, we're putting all this harmful chemicals and things into our body we don't even know. We're just trusting these companies, and it's just sometimes not even for our skin. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it for all races. This is not just like for black people. I'm a black woman, but just for all races. We're just putting things on our body. We're itchy afterwards. Everything else, like, so yeah, like, basically, just go to thebarluxe.com. You'll come to the website and you just choose whatever you like. If you have any questions before you purchase, feel free to hit me up. Like, I be up late. If you write me at 1 o'clock in the morning, you might get a quick response. Like, hey, this is, I don't know, so-and-so. I was watching a video, or I stumbled upon your page, or someone's telling me something about you. I just want to get more information. Whatever. If I haven't, like, I give descriptions of my product, like handcrafted with a blend of aloe, grapeseed oil, tea tree, giving your skin an even tone and natural highlight. If you want to know more in depth, like, do you wash your hands before you make the soap? I don't know, any question. No question is a stupid question. Do the massage part of, like, the way that it's shaped, does it hurt your skin? Is it harsh on the skin? Does it rub too hard? If I scrub, does it scratch you or anything? And I guarantee you it doesn't. Like, I give it to my daughter in her hand and she can do it herself. She's 5. Yeah, so that goes for all of them. All of them should have a description. Handcrafted with coconut oil, vitamin E, and other natural products to help cleanse and moisturize the body after a long day. Yeah, so make sure you pin, tweet, share on Facebook and everything. Like, that would help me a lot. Like, exposure. Okay. I go hard. Like, I really do be promoting. And somebody I was talking to, this girl I know through my friend, and she was just like, girl, promote every day. And then one time it was like late in the afternoon, she like, girl, why you didn't promote? I'm like, I don't know. Basically, I was being lazy. And she was like, you better promote. And honestly, yeah, just promote every day. Like, get your name out. Like I said, if you don't even have no product, you don't got no money for no product, just try. Ask for samples. See what company will send you samples, or depending on what you buy, you know, talk to them. Some people, you know, are willing to help or collect donations. Like, hey, family members, if you have family members, like, look, I'm ready to start up a business. I'm just taking donation, and then when I make my money back, you give them back. So, hey, say one of your family members give you $10, another family member give you $20, somebody owes your birthday, give you a card, look, congrats on your new business, here's $100, happy birthday, you know, something. Make your money. Make sure you have that $100 and that $10 in your bank, and then make sure you can double that and then give it back to your family members, so that way you still have money in your business. And also paying people back, like, here, I made it, thank you so much. And then that's how people will help you more. Like, learn real support. And one thing I have learned is, like, keep your ideas to yourself. Keep your ideas to yourself. Keep strategies to yourself, and everything else. Like, I'm telling you, you will progress a lot more. People will sit there and listen to things you have and then try to eat off of it. It's like, there's enough money out here for everybody to grasp. It's 1,000 people selling eyelashes, 1,000 people selling clothes, it's 1,000 people selling lotions and soaps and body sprays. There's people that I would still buy soap from, and I sell soap. You know, like, Super Scent, which owns the crayon case, has her whole makeup line and still use other products. There's no reason to hate. You feel what I'm saying? Like, she know her quality and her products are good, and she still likes a certain other product, so now she's using another product with her products. Doesn't mean her products aren't good, or they're bad, or the other people's products are better. That's just, she likes to use it. That's what she likes to do. There's nothing wrong with that. I do the same thing. Like, so, yeah, basically, just go out there, get yourself out there, guys. We're in a hard time. I know times be hard. People think, oh, you get this little whatever. Everybody's getting a little PUA money, or, you know, unemployment or whatever else you getting. Or even people that went back to work. They just think you lit. You just got money. You got bread. You out here. You struggling. They don't know about you got to take care of your kids. You got to feed your kids. You got to get to and from work every day. Spend $20-$30 in a cab just in case you live far. You're getting yourself out there. You know what I'm saying? Like, people are sick. Babysitters. You got to pay babysitters. It's a lot of things going on. But yeah. Once again, this is your girl, Part of My Beauty TV. And this is my little video for you guys. I hope that you guys like it. And I hope that you guys check out my website. Leave me comments and email me, and once again I'll put all my information in the description bar below. Yeah, so just check it out. Like, honestly, when I tell you guys this is a good quality soap and you're gonna love it, like, I have not gotten any complaints. They say it smells good. It doesn't really have like a certain scent. I can't tell you guys like, oh, it smells like roses. Oh, it smells like... It just has a natural scent, a natural clean scent. It's nothing that's going to be like, oh my God, why? But you're going to feel clean. When I tell you you're going to feel clean, you're going to feel so clean. It's going to be good. All my soaps are good for the face. All my soaps are good for your body. All my soaps are good for your children. This is a family thing you can use. Like, everybody can use it, I'm telling you. So go ahead over to thebarluxe.com today, tomorrow, tonight, next month, next year, whatever. Make sure you shop with me. I will be doing a giveaway no time soon, but I just want to make sure that I have certain things and everything set up the way I need to. I will be redoing my website, so if it's down by the time you get to it, just let me know. Okay, guys, I just got an order. Look at this. Hey. So, yeah, thank you guys for videos. Part of My Beauty TV. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, and we're out.